Embark on an exciting journey of learning with the Braille Learning Kit, your comprehensive toolkit for mastering Braille. Let's discover the engaging components that make this kit a fantastic learning experience.
Start your Braille adventure with the large Braille peg board. Feel the tactile joy as you place pegs on the board, creating Braille characters in a hands-on and interactive way.
Dive deeper into Braille literacy with the magnetic Braille set. The magnetic properties make it easy to arrange and rearrange Braille characters, providing a dynamic and engaging learning experience.
Navigate the intricacies of English Braille effortlessly with the English Braille Guide. It serves as your companion, offering clear and concise explanations to ensure a smooth learning process.
Time to explore the Braille Clock Guide. Learn how to tell time using Braille.
Challenge yourself with the Braille word game. Have a blast while reinforcing your Braille skills in a game format.
Build words, build knowledge with the Braille Word Builder. Piece together Braille characters to form words, enhancing your vocabulary in Braille.
Unleash your creativity with the Braille Word Cube. Arrange the cube to form different words, making learning Braille a dynamic and imaginative experience.
Whether you're feeling the Braille characters on the pegboard or engaging in a friendly competition with the Braille word game, the Braille Learning Kit ensures a rich and accessible learning journey.
The Braille Learning Kit is perfect for anyone eager to explore Braille literacy. It's ideal for students, educators, and anyone interested in making learning.
Join us in the world of Braille learning, the Braille Learning Kit, opening doors to literacy and accessibility. Visit our website to bring this exciting kit into your hands.
My name is Drahasha Valji, and I am a totally blind. This is in Braille Kit, and with the help of these we can learn basic Braille. And this is in magnetic board. With the help of these we can learn Braille joyfully and easily. And with the help of these kit, we can learn basic Braille easily.